Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Andito na naman kami sa loob ng sasakyan. Aalis kami ngayon. Tingnan niyo yung mga anak ko, bagong gupit. Ako lang naggupit niyan kagabi, kaso lang nakalimutan kong mag-video. Pero may next time pa naman. At least nakasave ako ng $30 kasi $15 each ang gupit dito. So, Shan, say hi. Ivan, can you say hi, Ivan? Okay, pupunta kami ngayon sa middle school dito. Malapit sa amin, mga 8 to 10 minutes drive. Kasi meron silang free breakfast and free lunch Monday to Friday. So free lunch lang kami kasi free breakfast maaga. Ayaw ng mga bata gumising ng maaga. So free lunch lang. So puntahan natin, let's see kung ano yung free lunch nila today, Monday ngayon. So tingnan natin. Okay, let's go. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very well.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hi. Say hi. It's cold. Good.
We have fish sticks, we have spaghetti, and we have hamburgers, and we got pulled pork. We got one pulled pork left.
Okay. Spaghetti.
Okay. You got to take the milk.
You got milk?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You just take that. You want to put it in there? Which kind you want? Chocolate or white?
Chocolate.
There you go. One each.
Thank you.
All right. Can you close it, or do you want me to close it?
I'll do it. Thank you.
Okay.